Hello everyone. Today I have another blog for you. We are exploring the beautiful Lalbagh Botanical Garden here in Bangalore. It's one of the most famous garden in India, filling with amazing flowers, trees, peaceful vibes. So, let's go. We see what make this place so special. Now, I have reached the Lalbagh Botanical Garden. This place is one of the oldest and most beautiful garden in Bangalore. It was originally started by Hyder Ali and later completed by Tipu Sultan. The garden cover around 240 acre and it's home of thousands of different plants and trees. Now I am heading to our first spot, the Bonsai Park. I have heard it's really beautiful and peaceful. So let's go and check it out. Inside the Bonsai Park, you can see many different type of bonsai tree. Each one is shaped so beautiful and carefully maintained. It's amazing to see how big tree can be grow in such a small pot. I hope this video help you plan your visit better. If you have any question, feel free to connect. Please like, comment, subscribe to Tech Travel with Mac for more travel and unique destination video. See you in next journey.